powered by Bracket Heating, Air, and Plumbing.
All right, good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. And how about this to start off your forecast with? Absolutely glorious view that we had from that Evansville DFASher 4 camera early this morning. Spectacular sunrise to start off the day on what's going to be a pretty busy day in the weather department. We've already seen some rain happen this morning, and we've got a warm front that's actually splitting the area in two right now. That's a telltale sign. You got some active weather with some dynamics in the atmosphere. Temperatures in the 40s north of that front, 48 in Evansville right now, 45 in Jasper. But look at this. South of that front, it's pretty warm, at least for mid-November, upper 50s to lower 60s. Some warm, muggy air coming in out of the south where that warm front is, or south of where that warm front is, and thus a chance for some thunderstorms later today. We're already seeing some rain, of course, this morning. It's starting to progress into thunderstorms farther towards the north and west. Some thunderstorms already happening up towards Olney and Fairfield right now. Farther back towards the west, more thunderstorms coming in from the west, which will be tracking across our area over the next few hours as this area of low pressure towards the west sweeps across the area. So we've got two rounds of storms on the way for today. The first one happening from now until around 10 o'clock this morning. Then the second wave should be coming in later on this evening. And with both, we have at least a little chance for some severe weather today. All across the Ohio Valley, a 1 out of 5 overall risk for severe weather today. And that unfortunately does at least include some chance for severe weather. The Torcon low, but not zero for today at a 2 out of 10. So it's a day that you want to stay weather aware. Make sure you have your weather alerts turned on your smartphone, because it could be either an isolated tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning that we see for the rest of the day today for that chance for damaging wind and hail. And here's a look at that in the futurecast, moving through most of our Indiana counties around 9-10 o'clock this morning. This is that first wave I'm talking about. By midday today, most of it's pushing over towards the east, still a couple lingering downpours, but that's the end of the first wave at around lunchtime. Then we see a lull in the action by around 3-4 o'clock, still just a couple of isolated showers, but no thunderstorms. Then it ramps up again at around dinner time. More thunderstorms developing by that point as the low moves closer. So this will be the second wave where you want to have your guard up. But by around 10 o'clock tonight, things are dying back down, and we stay cloudy and cool for just the rest of the day tomorrow as the storms wind down a bit towards our day tomorrow. Into tomorrow, we stay quiet, but then more showers start to move in on Thursday. Second half of the week stays pretty rainy. The rain just keeps on rolling in, unfortunately, for Friday. It doesn't look like we'll see much of any severe weather with that, but the rain will be kind of long-lasting for 2 full days. We'll likely get some rain. Fortunately, we're drying out by Saturday afternoon and staying cool for much of the weekend. In total, we're talking about mostly 2 to 3 inches of rain over the next few days. Here's a look at where we're going to see the most towards Morganfield, Harrisburg, Henderson, all expecting around 2 to 2.5 inches of rain these next 5 days, with most of that falling Thursday and Friday. Thankfully, though, we're drying out by Saturday afternoon and staying mainly dry for Sunday.